For homeowners in Clinton Township, upgrading your home isn't just about comfort, it's about protecting and increasing your investment. One of the smartest improvements you can make is installing vinyl replacement windows. These modern windows offer a powerful combination of energy efficiency, durability, and visual appeal that directly contributes to higher home value and stronger buyer interest. Improved energy efficiency buyers want. Energy efficiency has become a top priority for today's homebuyers, especially in Michigan's climate where winters are cold and summers can be surprisingly warm. Vinyl replacement windows are designed with advanced insulation features such as multi-chambered frames, tight weather seals, and energy-efficient glass options. When your home stays warmer in the winter and cooler in the summer, heating and cooling systems don't have to work as hard. This leads to lower monthly energy bills, something buyers immediately notice. Homes with efficient windows are often seen as move-in ready, making them more attractive and valuable in Clinton Township's competitive housing market. Strong curb appeal that boosts first impressions matter, and windows play a major role in how a home looks from the street. Old, worn-out windows can make even a well-maintained home appear dated. Vinyl replacement windows instantly refresh a home's exterior with clean lines, modern designs, and customizable color options that complement any architectural style. From classic double-hung windows to sleek picture windows, vinyl offers versatility that enhances curb appeal. A home that looks updated and well cared for naturally commands more interest, and often a higher asking price. Low maintenance is a major selling point. Many buyers want a beautiful home without the hassle of constant upkeep. Vinyl windows are known for being exceptionally low maintenance. Unlike wood, vinyl won't rot, warp, peel, or require repainting. A simple cleaning keeps them looking new for years. This durability is especially appealing in Clinton Township, where seasonal weather changes can be tough on traditional window materials. When buyers know they won't need to worry about window repairs or refinishing, your home becomes a more attractive long-term investment. Long-lasting durability adds real value. Vinyl replacement windows are built to last. They resist moisture, temperature fluctuations, and UV exposure better than many older window types. This long lifespan reassures buyers that they won't be facing costly window replacements anytime soon. From an appraiser's perspective, newer windows are considered a valuable upgrade. They reflect responsible homeownership and reduce future maintenance concerns, both of which can positively influence your home's market value. Increased comfort enhances everyday living beyond resale value. Vinyl replacement windows significantly improve day-to-day comfort. They reduce drafts, minimize outside noise, and help maintain consistent indoor temperatures. Homes that feel quieter, warmer, and more comfortable leave a lasting impression on buyers during showings. Comfort upgrades often translate into emotional value, helping potential buyers imagine themselves living in the space. That emotional connection can make a big difference when offers are made. A smart return on investment. While no home upgrade guarantees a full return, vinyl replacement windows are widely considered one of the best value for money improvements. They balance affordability with noticeable benefits, offering homeowners a strong return through energy savings, improved appearance, and increased resale appeal. For Clinton Township homeowners planning to sell in the future, or simply wanting to enjoy a more efficient and attractive home, vinyl replacement windows are a practical, high-impact upgrade. Final thoughts. Vinyl replacement windows do more than modernize your home. They add measurable value, attract buyers, and improve everyday comfort. Whether you're preparing to sell or investing in your home's long-term future, this upgrade delivers benefits that homeowners in Clinton Township can see and feel for years to come.